In this video, I'll guide you through how to filter PropWire leads by zip code. Today, we're going to look at how to narrow down your property leads inside your PropWire account by using a specific zip code. This is helpful when you have a large list of properties and want to focus your research or marketing efforts on a smaller, more targeted area. The process is simple and can be done directly from your PropWire dashboard. I've already logged into my PropWire account, and this is the home screen. To start filtering leads by zip code, go to the search area at the top left of the screen. Enter the zip code you want to search and select the correct area when it appears. Once you enter the zip code, PropWire will automatically pull up all the properties that are located in that specific area. You'll be able to see the total number of properties available for that zip code. From here, you can begin narrowing down the list based on what you are looking for. The filters you use will depend on your goals and the type of properties you want to find. For example, if you are mainly interested in single-family properties, you can go to Property Types and select Single Family. This removes other property categories and helps you focus only on the types of homes you want. You can also filter by price range. If your target properties are between a certain value, there is no reason to spend time reviewing properties that are far outside your budget. Use the price filter to set a minimum and maximum value that matches your buying criteria. Another useful section is More, where you can access additional filters. Under Owner Filters, you can choose to focus on individual owners if that is who you prefer to work with. You can also adjust the years of ownership. Setting a minimum ownership period can help find owners who may be more likely to consider selling. You can also limit the number of properties owned by each owner. This can help remove large investors who own many properties and may be less likely to provide the type of deal you are looking for. Finally, you can use financial filters and adjust the estimated equity. For example, you can focus on properties with a higher percentage of estimated equity, such as properties with at least 50% equity. After applying your filters, click Save and Close. You'll now have a much smaller and more focused list of properties that better matches your criteria. From here, you can review the leads, select the properties you want, and download your list. And that's the easiest way I know to filter leads by zip code in PropWire. If you know another method, feel free to share it. Hopefully, you found this video useful. If it helped, consider leaving a thumbs up or subscribing for more tutorials. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.